watch every episode of Hey Duggee on BBC iPlayer. Oh, woof!
Duggee?
Huh?
Isn't it time for...
Washed your hands?
Yep.
Brushed your teeth?
Uh-huh.
Zipped up?
Yes.
Then I think we're ready for Squirrel Club! Previously on... Gravedad cero. La llaganía y el éxtasis en el espacio.
¡La paciente está flotando!
¿Qué hacemos?
¿Qué es eso?
¿Dónde estamos?
¡Bienvenido!
Continuará.
Digging with Duggee.
Oh, woof!
I wonder which digger he's going to choose today.
Keep your feathers on. He's got to pick a key first. What do you reckon? Circle, square, star, triangle.
It'll be a circle. Dogs love circles.
Star.
I meant star.
Sure. OK, then. What colour is his digger gonna be?
Well, there's the red digger, followed by yellow.
Classic.
Then you got your blue and your pink digger.
Very modern. What's he gonna pick, then?
Well, it is scientifically known that dogs love the colour blue.
You what? That can't be true.
It is. I know all the dog facts.
Well, then, let's see what he's gone for.
Told ya.
Lucky guess.
Right, what's he digging up?
It could be anything.
It's going to be a bone.
He's not going to use a great big digger just for that.
A big bone.
Yeah, it was a bone.
See, I know all the dog facts, me.
Yeah, woof, woof.
A leaf? Interesting. A branch? Feels solid.
A trunk.
Substantial.
A tree. Quality foliage. A forest. Where we live. Yay! It's Delivery Chipmunk.
Delivery for the Squambles?
The squirrels.
If you say so.
It's from Phileas Frog. What does it say? Greetings, squirrels, from the Highlands.
Well, we are on the lookout for the Loch Ness Monster. Rumored to live in this deep, cold lake. But every time we think we have found it, we are mistaken. There! Ribbit. No, it's just a log. Oh, there it is!
Nothing to see here. Carry on.
Could it be?
Do you mind?
Oh, it's too cold to keep looking. I agree. Time to go. Let me ask this kind stranger for directions. You there?
Huh? I'm just a normal seal.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, just an innocent seal.
Okay. Could you point us in the direction of a lovely warm beach?
That way?
Thank you. I think we can safely say the Loch Ness Monster does not exist. Ribbit.
I'm filling up the paddling pool. I think that's enough. Let's go swimming. Follow me. Run! Jump! Follow! Leapfrog! Skip! Bounce! I know a shortcut. Follow me. Splash dash! Left! Right! Middle! Big splash! Splash dash complete! We're nearly there. We just need to get through Sprinkler Spring! Jump! Whee! Squeeze! Look, we made it! Yay! Splash! Paddling pool time! What was your favourite bit, Grandad?
The middle?
Not the end.
I might have missed that bit.
It was brilliant.
Well, of course. It always is at...
What's that? Oh, you want more Hey Duggee? Well, ask your grown-up to download the free BBC iPlayer app, where you can find loads more episodes. Oh, woof!